So today we will calculate the mode in a statistic for the group data. We will calculate the mode. How you will calculate the mode? Mode can be calculated with the help of this formula. What is mode? Mode is nothing but we will check out in the data the value among the observation the which occur most often, the value of observation having maximum frequency. We will the among the values of observation which occur most often and has a maximum frequency, that will be your mode. So let's see, with the class which having the maximum frequency is called mode class. So the frequency which is having the highest frequency in the frequency, so most repetitively occurring data will be your mode frequency. Most repetitively occurring data will be your mode frequency. So here I have shown some example. This is a family size and number of family members. So here there is this is a class intervals. We have seen class intervals, and this is a frequency. So most repetitively occurring frequency. So most repetitive, which is the most repetitive occurring? 8 is the most repetitive occurring. So highest frequency is 8. So most repetitive occurring observation is the mode frequency. So mode frequency, and the class beside this is 3 and 5. This class is called as mode class, modal class. This class is called as modal class, and we will label it F1, F0, F2. So why we label this like this? We have a mode formula. For calculation of mode, we use L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here the L is a lower limit of modal class. What is the modal class? Modal class is this 3 minus 5, where the 3 is your lower limit. So this is a modal class. The lower limit of modal class will be L. This value of L will be 3. We have to substitute in the formula. Similarly, the maximum frequency which we call as modal class frequency is F1. We label it F1, and it is called as F1 is a frequency of modal class. F1 is a frequency of modal class, and the frequency above it is, we will label it as F0, and it is called as frequency of class preceding the modal class is F0. F0 is the frequency of class preceding the modal class. जो modal class के फ्रीक्वेंसी के ऊपर वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी रहती है उसको हम F0 बोलते हैं, and the frequency below the modal class succeeding the modal class is called as F2. The frequency of the class succeeding the modal class, the frequency of the class which is succeeding the modal class is called as F2. So we will label this F2. So this F0, F1, F2 and L value we will substitute in the formula. One more thing we need H. H is what is H? H is the size of a class interval. Size of a class interval, here the size of class interval modal class is 3 to 5. So what we can do is, we can calculate like this. H is equals to 3 minus 5. What will be the 2? So H will be 2. So we can write it as H will be 2. So like this, by using this formula, we will solve the exercise problems. Here one example is given, exercise problem is there. The following table shows the ages of a patient admitted in the hospital during the year, and find the mode and mean. Here though two things we have to find out. We have to find the mode and the mean of the given data above. Compare the interpret the two measurements of the central tendency. So we have to measure mean and mode of this. What we will do, we will first measure the mode. Mode कैसे find out करते हैं? First we will check. What we will check? First what we will do, we will put this in. As soon as you see the question, you have to write the solution like this, solution, and then what we have to do is, in solution what we have to do is, we have to write the ages. We have to make the column age, then what it is, number of patients, that is your Fi. Then we have to write Xi, as we have to calculate the mean. Here we have to calculate Xi and Fi into Xi. Now we will write the data from the question, that is class intervals are class intervals are 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. Clear? Now what we have to do is we have to write the frequencies from the table 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. If we sum it up, what will be the summation of Fi equals to 80? Now for the mode calculation, what we have to do, we have to select the maximum frequency in the frequency column. Which is the maximum frequency? This is the maximum frequency, and then this is 35 to 45 is your modal class, and we will label it as F0, F1, the class presiding, the frequency presiding the modal class, modal frequency is F0, and here F2. So we will write, ऐसे होता है ना numbers 0, 1, 2. So we will write the frequency in this way. And the class, ये class की जो छोटी लिमिट होती है, सबसे कम लिमिट होती है, लोअर लिमिट होती है, उसको L लेबल करेंगे. Clear? Now what we have to do is, now we have to put the formula and calculate. What is the formula? Formula is, what is the formula? Let me revise you once. This is the formula. Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 and multiplied by H. Clear? So we will write here the same values. What we have, L is 35 and plus we have F1, we have L is equals to, let me write here, L is equals to 35, H is equals to 15, or we can write 35 minus 45, it is 10. So 10 is H. So we will write the 23 minus 21. We know what is F0, F1 and F2. We are substituting that values. 23 minus 21 minus 14 into H. H is how much? 10. Clear? So we will write it like this. 35 plus 2 divided by 46. This minus will be plus, but we will keep the sign of minus. 35 into 10. So your answer will be, अभी आप क्या करेंगे, इसको माइनस करने पर आपको 35 यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, फिर प्लस 46 minus 35 will be 11 into 10. So what we will be 35 plus 20 divided by 11. So your answer is 35 plus 1.81. So your final answer will be 36.81. Your modal value is 36.81, or your mode is 36.81. Is it clear? Your mode value is 36.5. So every time whenever you solve, you write the formula, so that you will get the repetitively writing the formula help you to memorize the formula. So whenever you solve the problem, please write the formula. Every time you have to write the formula. Clear? Next what we have to do is, we have to write the xi. Xi, what will be the xi? 5 plus 15 divided by 2. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 5 plus 15 will be 20. 20 divided by 2 will be 10. And 15 plus 25, what will be 15 plus 25? 30. 40. 40 divided by 2 will be 20. So it is a 10 difference. So we can write it like this: 30, 40, 50, 60. Clear? Now what we have to write? Fi into xi. Fi is how much? Fi 6 into 10, 60. 20 into 11 will be 220. 30 into 21 will be 630. 40 into 23 will be 920. 50 into 14 will be 700. 60 into 5 will be 300. We add this all together, we will get summation of Fi xi equals to 2830. We will get 2830, and 8 is Fi is 8. So now let us, what we will do is, let us take the direct method formula to calculate the mean. We have used you have to use the direct method formula to calculate the mean. Here we will calculate the mean formula. We will write mean formula is, we will write. So mean formula, what is the mean formula?